Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain you mean, median, mode and range of the given data. So these topics are very basic things of statistics. So here is the first question I am given here. Find the mean of the given data, and data are here 91, 28, 37. These are the data we have, and we have to find it out the mean of the given data. Formula of the mean is sum of the given data over number of the given data. Sum of the given data means we have to add all the data given over here. So we have to add here 91 plus 28 plus 37 plus 84 plus 79 plus 46 plus 52 plus 73 plus 72 plus 56 plus 84 plus 64. So as formula of mean is sum of the given data, and all over we have to divide it by number of the given data. So we have to count the data, how many numbers are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So n is equal to 12. So we have divide it by 12, and if you will add it all together here, you will get it 750 over 12 and calculate it. You will get 62.5 is the mean of this data. Now next question I have taken here median. So for median question, I have taken two parts of the question, and both the two parts we have to find it out same median. So what is the difference? Let's start here first question, and then we will do the second, and then you will find what is the difference between these two questions here. So first question I have taken here, find the median of the given data, and data are given here. So for the mean, no need to arrange the data, but for the median, be careful, always arrange the data first from lowest to the highest value. Lowest to the highest value. So let's arrange the data first here. Arranging means lowest to the highest. So first lowest data is here. We can see here 28. Just write it down and cancel it out one by one. So 28, then second data is 37 here. And then third one is 46. Fourth is 52. Then we have 56. Cancel it out, 56 here. And then 64 we have 64. Then we have 68. So cut it here, 68. 72. Cancel 72. Sorry. 72. And then we have 73 here. Cancel it out. Then 79. 79 this one. And then we have 84. And at last just count both the numbers so that you will see that you didn't miss any number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we have arranged data is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It means we didn't miss anything. Now we have to find the median here. So how to find median here? Median means the middle data, exact middle data. Exact middle data is the median. So first work is arrange the data and then cancel first and the last. Lowest value and highest value cancel one by one. So one and one lowest and one highest, we just cancel it out. Then this two, then again third data from the first and the last, and then this data, and sorry, this data, and then this data, and see, we have got the middle data here. Exact middle we have 64. So median of this data is 64 we have. So if you look at out this data, you can't find the exact middle data. So always arrange the data first, then find it out the median. So what is the main important thing is here, n is equal to 11, and 11 is the odd number. So that's why easily we can find it out the median of the data. We exact 5 number from the lowest, we can cancel it out from the left side of the median, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from the right side, we just cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 and 5, 10 number, exact 11th number is the median. So if odd numbers data are here, easily we can find it out the median. Now I have taken here the next question and I have given the data here. Same here data, but first arrange the data here as well, and then we will see what we have to do. So first arrange the data from lowest to the highest value. So we have arranged data here, 28, 37, 46, 52, but cancel it out one by one, 28, 37, 46 and 52. Then we have 56, 64, 56, 64 here, 64 here, and we have 68, 72, 68 and 72. Then we have 73, 79, 73, 79, 73, 79, and then 84 and 91. So this is 84 and 91. And let's just check it out. Make sure that you have correct number of data here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now what n is there? N is equal to 12, which is an even number. But process will be same. What I explain you the first part of the question, just cancel it out from the beginning and the last. 28 cancel it out, 37 and 84 from last, 46 from the beginning, 79 from the last, 52, 73, 56, 72. And if you just think 64 and 68 cancel, median will be there in between 64 and 68. So median will be between 64 and 68. We didn't find exact middle data here. So what will be the median here? Median equal to, add this middle two data here, 64 plus 68 and divide it by 2. So you will get 132 over 2 equal to 66. See, between 64 and 68, you will get here some 66 number. So this is the median of this data. So even number, if you n is equal to even, add the middle two data, and odd, you will get exact middle data here. Now we will find it out, the mode of the data here. So this is the question here. We will find the mode of the given data. How to find the mode of the given data here? So write down each number here. So start from the lowest number and make the frequency table here. Make the frequency table. So here the data, and this column write down frequency. Start from the lowest number here. This is here 0, I can see 0, and one by one cancel it out. After 0 we have 3. So 3 we already have here. Then 4 cancel it out. Then 5 we have 5, and then we have 6, and then 7, and then 9, and we have last number 10 here. And all the number are repeated here. So find it out how many times 0. One time we cancel it out and start from the beginning. So how many times 0 we have? So 0 is frequency is 1. And how many times we have 3? So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 times we have 3. And count how many times we have 4. So 4 is 1 here and 2. So 2 times we have 4. Then we have 5. How many times we have 5 here? 5 we can see only one time. And 6 is 1 here and 1 here. So 2 times 6 is there. And 7 we have 7 only one time. And 9 we have 9 only one time. No, 9 is 2 times here. 9 is 1 and 2 times. And 10 we have 10 we have only one time here. Everything is there. So now look at these frequencies, which is the highest number here in frequency. So we can see here 5 is the highest number. So mode of the data will be this one, 3, which have highest frequency. The number which have got the highest frequency, that number is the mode of the given data. Mode of the given data is equal to 3, and this is the answer. Now what about this question here? Find the mode of this given data. Now make the same table here, frequency table here. Here is the data and here is the frequency. Write the data here. So we have 0 here and 4, 0, one time, 4, one time, 5, 1, 6, 1, and then we have 8, again one time 8, then we have 11, no, we have 9, one time, and we have 11 and 21, which both have one time. Now see, any number didn't get highest frequency. So it means what will be the mode here? There will be no mode. So you have to write it down, no mode in this data. So in this question, I just forgot to explain how to find the median and range. So median I explained you, but how to find the range of the given data? So let's understand what is the range of the given data. Range equal to highest value minus lowest value. So what is the highest? We already arranged this data. So highest is 91 and minus lowest is 28. So subtract it and you will get the range of the given data. So 63 is the range of the given data. So in my, this is all mean, median, mode and range I explained you. In my next video, I'll explain you 3 quartiles, which is quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and IQR, which is interquartile range. And I'll also explain you how to find the standard deviation of sample data. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.